If you've ever wanted to turn your Instagram into a profit-pulling affiliate marketing machine, you're in the right place. I'm about to reveal the key secrets you can use to generate $300 or more a day like clockwork just promoting products on Instagram you don't even have to create yourself. Now, I'm gonna literally walk you through my 5-step framework that will allow you to generate hundreds of dollars even if you're completely brand new, have no previous experience, and you don't even have more than 20 minutes of free time per day. Now make sure you stick with me through the entire video, because by the end of the video, you're gonna discover key strategies such as how to choose the right niche, how to design your profile in such a way that it compels people to want to send you money. I'm even going to share with you how to create compelling content and then how to boost your affiliate earnings to the sky with very simple steps anyone can do. Now, before I dive into the very first step of this simple 5-step framework, if you want to get access to my totally free cheat sheet I created recently, where you can swipe and deploy my top 7 social media posts to get instant traffic and start to generate sales as soon as possible, be sure to click the link directly below and get access while it's still available. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the very first step. Now, the very first step is niche selection. Now, maybe you've heard the quote, "The riches are in the niches." A lot of people, when they want to make money on Instagram, they create a profile that's very vague, very general. They're posting about one thing one day and something else the next day. What you want to do is you want to focus on one niche, one topic to focus on 100%. Now, whether that's making money online, whether that's health and fitness, whether that's dating, whether that's golf, it really does not matter. Now, what I want to do right now is I want to share with you a couple key things to keep in mind when you choose a niche so you can quickly and easily implement this step and not get too hung up trying to find the perfect exact niche to go in. My first key tip is to choose a niche that you're actually passionate about. You know, what are you interested in? Do you have a certain hobby that you're constantly thinking about, you're constantly talking about to your friends and family, or maybe there's just something that you want to learn or get better at? I highly recommend you choose a niche in that specific topic, because that will allow you to stay consistent. That will allow you to stay motivated when it comes to implementing this simple and easy 5-step strategy. Now, as I cover the rest of the steps in just a short second, you're gonna see it all come together, but you really wanna understand that if you're not passionate about it, it's gonna be very difficult. You need to be consistent with this framework. It won't take a lot of time, but there is a little bit of consistency. So think about, again, what passion do you have? What niche do you kind of find yourself already interested in? And you can go ahead and start with that one. Now, another thing to consider is doing a little bit of market research before you start your new profile with this Instagram strategy. You can actually take the topic of your niche and you can go over to Google Trends and you can actually search that niche and you can see, is there an upline? Is there an ongoing trend upwards of this specific topic? You know, to share a quick story, a lot of people felt a lot of pain not too long ago when the fidget spinner, that toy, was very popular. Now, a lot of people created Instagram profiles around the fidget spinner, and the problem was it was a very quick up and then the Google Trends started going down. And the problem is, if you spent time creating a profile, starting to build some followers, creating content, and it went away very quickly, then this isn't a long-term income. What I want to teach you on my channel and in this video is how to actually create a long-term, compelling, and consistent income for you and your family. So I highly recommend you double check that passionate hobby you have to make sure there's an upward Google trend, or at least at the bare minimum, there's not a downward trend. We want to make sure that it actually is consistent or going up, meaning people are interested in this topic, so your Instagram profile can make you money for a very long time. Now, once you've chosen the niche, the second step in this simple framework is we want to create a professional looking profile. I highly recommend you start from scratch. You know, if you already have a profile and it's in that specific niche, then obviously you can use it. But if you have some family and friends and you've been posting random things, I highly recommend you just start with a brand new, fresh profile. Now, the first step is to optimize this profile correctly, okay? I highly recommend the first thing you do is you post a high resolution, good professional profile photo. Now, it does not have to be about yourself. If you want to create a personal brand, you can post a photo of yourself, but it doesn't have to be, okay? This photo could be found on Google Images. You know, if your niche, let's say, is in the golf niche, you can type on Google Images, you know, golf photos, and you can find a good professional looking photo and use that as your profile photo. Now, inside of the bio, this is crucial. You want to include 2 to 3 lines that describe what your profile is all about. So again, using the golf example, you could say something like, you know, stay tuned for golf tips, you know, top golf profile of 2023, right, or 2024. Now, the next step is to craft a compelling bio, right? So you want to add a couple lines that are going to describe what your profile is about, and you can even give a call to action, right, to actually follow you for more. So again, using the golf example, you could say something like, you know, top golf tips to improve your swing, right, or something like that. In the case of a niche of golf, and if you're promoting a product that maybe teaches people how to improve their golf swing, you want to make it very relevant, but you want to have a very concise bio, so when people land on your profile, they know exactly what it's about, and they can go ahead and follow you to start to stay up to date with you. Another key thing, and this is going to lead us to the generating $300 or more a day, is you want to include your affiliate link or your website link, right? If you have a funnel that you are gonna promote, you wanna include that link in your bio, okay? So you wanna put the link there. Now, I highly recommend you don't just post that link. You can go to a site like Bitly, where you can actually shorten that link, or even tinyurl.com, which is a similar site, and you can shorten that link, make it look more attractive, and then put it in your bio. So when people see that, it's very compelling, it's very attractive to click, and ultimately check out your product you're promoting and start to make sales. Now, my second tip when it comes to profile optimization, and this is gonna be kept in mind as we start to create compelling content, is you want to actually develop a consistent aesthetic to your profile, right? It's great to have a specific color scheme or a specific type of post that you actually do. This is gonna lead to people thinking you're very professional, and people are gonna come to wanna follow you, right? If you post random things all the time, different colors, different types of posts, it looks very disorganized, and people aren't gonna come to think that even the product you're promoting is good. Keep this in mind, right? First impressions really count. So everything from your profile photo, from your feed to your bio, people are taking it all in, and if everything looks disorganized, they're gonna think the product that you're promoting is disorganized, right? So you wanna really keep that in mind and spend some time setting this up, right? A lot of this is in the setup. You wanna spend time setting up your profile, setting up the bio, everything, and then we will just start doing the next step in this framework. Now, step number 3 is content creation, okay? You need to start to create content when it comes to wanting to make sales with Instagram affiliate marketing. Now, I want to share with you some top tips when it comes to creating content. There's a lot of different sites you can do that will help you create content very quickly. One of the sites is canva.com. You can actually go over there, and they have all these different templates for Instagram. You can go ahead and just customize a couple pieces of text. You can also go to Google Images, and you can search the name of your niche and tips or quotes, and you can start to find a ton of photos that you can go ahead and post on your profile. Again, you want to give value around the niche that you're in, so people want to follow you, right? People are going to follow your profile for valuable information. One of the biggest mistakes people make on Instagram and all social media platforms is they just keep pitching. Remember, you want to spend about 80% of the time giving value, offering tips and funny, memes around the topic of your niche, and then only about 20% actually pitching, actually giving calls to action to check out your link and go ahead and buy. Now, some different types of value-centric content you can create are how-to guides, product reviews, instructional manuals. You can give away free ebooks and things like that, right? You want to keep in mind it's very, very valuable. You can even post behind-the-scenes type of photos, right? If you're actually creating content yourself. Now, you also want to use a different variety of types of content, right? Don't just post photos. You can use Reels, you can do Instagram stories, you can do obviously photos as well, but you want to give a mix, okay? Because different people are going to relate to different things. If you just keep doing the same type over and over, then people that may be more interested in videos, you're going to be missing out. Now, you can also go to Canva again, and you can create videos, right? They have different templates as well. You know, with AI, artificial intelligence, you can pump out videos. There's different tools. You don't have to create all this from scratch, but you want to start to fill your profile with compelling content. Now, you don't just want to be offering value though, because if you just do that, you're never going to actually make any money. You want to blend your compelling, valuable content with also calls to action. Okay, so every 2 to 3 posts, you can actually post a testimonial on your profile, or you can post a result that your product you're promoting has given someone. Now, a quick tip to actually find this stuff is on the sales page of the affiliate program you're promoting. If you open up that sales page, often you're going to see photos of testimonials. You can literally just download those photos in many cases, and you can post those to your Instagram profile. And then in the caption, you can tell people, you know, hey, if you want to discover how to achieve a similar result, click the link in my bio, right? So whenever you have the captions and you're giving calls to action, the call to action is always go to the link in my bio. We're driving traffic. We're getting people to go to that link and then check out the product that we're promoting, which will allow us to generate sales. Now, as you've started posting and filling your profile, again, this is still part of the setup process. Before we even start getting new followers, we want to actually start to populate with at least 9 posts on our Instagram profile, have that profile photo in the bio and our link. Everything starts to look very professional. Now, once you actually do that, you know, choose the affiliate product if you haven't already done that. Now, if you already have the affiliate product you're promoting, then obviously you would have already put that link inside of your bio. If you don't, you want to do some research and just find a product in your niche. Now, one place you can do that is clickbank.com. You can go to ClickBank, search the specific niche you're in. Chances are they'll have that category, and you can go ahead and find a good product there. On ClickBank specifically, you want to choose a product that has a high gravity score. This just means that a lot of other people are making sales with it. So therefore, if you promote this product, chances are you'll make sales as well. So once you have that product, again, you want to put the link that's shortened inside of your bio, and now everything is really starting to be set up. Okay, now one of the last steps is to start to build some followers. So one quick way you can actually do this for free is to go to the search bar on Instagram, type in the hashtag symbol, and then with all the words together, no spaces, you want to type in a few words that have to do with your niche, and then you can even add the word tips at the end, okay? So for example, if you're in the golf niche, continuing with this example, you can type in golf tips. And then when you search that, you'll see posts of people that have tagged their photos with the words golf tips. And then what you can do is you can open up that photo, and then you can open up the list of people that have liked that photo. Now, what this tells you is chances are those people are interested in learning tips about the niche you're actually in. And what I recommend you do is you follow at least 20 to 30 people a day that have liked certain photos that are tagged around your niche. And what's gonna happen is if your profile is set up correctly, like I covered in some of the other steps in this powerful framework, a good portion are gonna get notified when they get followed by you. They'll go check out your profile, and because it's set up right, a lot of them will follow you. And now that you're starting to build these followers, now when you start to consistently post content, you know, at least 1 post a day is a good recommendation. They will start to see your posts, they'll start to follow you, you'll start to build this engagement, and then when you give the calls to action to go to your link, you'll start to generate sales. Now, there's just one incredibly powerful step left I want to cover in this video, but before I do, again, if you have not gone to the link directly below, be sure you do that to get access to my free cheat sheet to swipe and deploy my copy-paste social media posts so you can start to get instant traffic with Instagram and start to make money as soon as possible. Now, my last key step in this framework is to track your results and scale what's working. A lot of people, they just keep posting and they just keep, you know, following random people, but they never actually observe the data and adjust accordingly. Okay, after about a week or so of implementing this incredibly powerful strategy, you want to look at your engagement and you want to look at what type of posts are getting the most likes, what kind of posts are getting the most engagement, right? And you want to do more of that. So if you have 3 different posts, maybe one of them is a reel, one of them is a certain photo, and then one of them is another type of photo, look at which of those are getting the most engagement and then focus on doing more of what's working and less of what's not working. Even in my own business, every 2 weeks or so, I'm analyzing, okay, what YouTube videos worked, what type of posts, you know, on Instagram worked, and then I'm constantly adjusting, and that's going to allow you to scale and make even more money. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed learning these key framework when it comes to making $300 or more a day with Instagram. Again, the name of the game is consistency. Once you actually set this up, stay consistent and you will start to see everything dramatically increase. It's an incredibly simple framework, but it works incredibly well. If you got value in this video, be sure you smash the like button. That tells me to make more videos just like this. Also subscribe to the bell icon. I have a lot of videos coming. And last but not least, be sure to click the video right here to get taken to a playlist with much more affiliate marketing training. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.